In this video, I'm going to show you how to add dimensions in Revit. Now to do this, first you want to go to the Annotate tab up top, and from here you want to click Aligned over here, okay? So you can see this is going to trigger Align Dimensions. Now of course you could use any of these other ones as well. I'm gonna go with the Align because I do think it's the easiest for beginners. So click on Align over here, and then you basically want to go ahead and select where you actually want these. Now up top here, top right, it says Prefer, and you can prefer whatever you want here. I'm just gonna prefer wall faces over here, and over here of course it says pick. You can also select entire walls or individual references. I'm going to leave it like it is, and now you have to do your first click where you want to begin your dimension. So I'm going to click on over here, then you want to go towards the second one, so I'm actually going to move over here and I'm going to click on the second point, and then when you have 2 points you simply want to move this up, of course, as much as you want, and then click for the third time, and there we go, you have your dimension over here. If you zoom in over here you can see a kind of the dimension. Okay, of course you can click on here to edit this as well, and yeah, that's pretty much how you do this. So again, you have to click for the first time, so wherever you want this, you want to click for the first time, then you want to click for the second time, you want to drag it out, and then of course you'll be good to go. Okay, just make sure you have the tool selected as well, because if you don't, this actually will not work. Okay, so super simple, as I said, first time, second time, and then you can just click out of there and it's going to work. Now you have to be very precise, because if you are not, as you can see here in my case, it's not going to work for you. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.